That's a nasty wave coming over there. All right, guys, I got a wave with a little bit of teeth coming here. Everybody hang on, guys. Hang on. Everybody grab on it. Hang on. Watch out, JJ. Tell you what, man, if this is what the weather's gonna be like, my balls are gonna be shriveled up to the size of peanuts.
Pretty gnarly up there. Quite the ride, I'll tell you that.
We need a few thousand more crab. Anytime you take a big wave, you have to start thinking, okay, is it time? Is it time to just pull the plug? Oh, this one. Watch that rail.
Watch the lines, make sure everything's clear, guys.
Everything's clear.
You okay, Tyler?
Everybody good?
Stay clear. Roger.
Sorry about that, man. There's nothing I could do.
You guys, I'm telling you, the word down current is real squirrely. You gotta really stay sharp and corral everything else.
You hear the captain start screaming, man. This time we start hanging on to something and get ready to hold your breath. The weather's definitely slowing us down. Let's just hope it doesn't shut us down.